over a decade, the world waited for the successor to the legendary LaFerrari. The wait is finally over. Welcome to the 2026 Ferrari F80. Draped in iconic Rosso Corsa red, this is not just a hypercar. It is a road-legal Le Mans prototype. The design is brutally functional. Every single line is dictated purely by the science of aerodynamics. At the rear, the massive carbon fiber diffuser looks like it was ripped straight off an endurance racer. Looking from above, the cabin is narrow, shaped like a teardrop to allow air to flow flawlessly over the carbon roof. The aggressive front nose features an enormous carbon fiber S-Duct, channeling high-pressure air directly over the windshield. This completely eliminates front-end lift, pinning the F80 to the ground at terrifying speeds. Ferrari has stripped away all unnecessary luxury, leaving behind a raw, unadulterated track weapon. But the true shock factor lies just behind those magnificent butterfly doors.
Watch as they swing violently upwards, revealing a concept Ferrari calls the 1+ cabin architecture. Instead of a traditional symmetrical layout, the entire cockpit is relentlessly focused entirely on the driver. The driver's racing bucket is wrapped in bright red Alcantara, visually separating it from the rest of the car, while the passenger seat is finished in deep black, practically disappearing into the carbon fiber tub. You grip a rectangular Formula One-inspired steering wheel, completely devoid of touch-capacitive nonsense. Physical toggles and purely mechanical switches have returned to the center console for raw, tactile feedback. The entire tub is constructed from motorsport-grade carbon fiber and titanium, keeping the weight incredibly low. It feels utterly claustrophobic in the best way possible. You do not sit in the F80, you wear it. There is no rearview mirror. A digital camera feed is your only view of the competitors you just left behind. Because what is behind you no longer matters. The heart of this monster is an engineering marvel. Ferrari has abandoned the V12. Instead, mounted midship is a 3-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine directly derived from their Le Mans-winning race car. Paired with 3 electric motors, 2 on the front axle and 1 at the rear. Combined, this hybrid powertrain unleashes an earth-shattering 1,184 horsepower. The active rear wing dynamically adjusts in milliseconds, acting as an air brake or flattening out for maximum top speed. The F80 utilizes an incredibly advanced active suspension system powered by 48-volt electric motors. This system completely eliminates body roll, keeping the aerodynamics perfectly aligned with the tarmac. Around a racetrack, it corners with the violence and precision of a purpose-built Formula car. 0 to 100 kilometers an hour is obliterated in a mind-bending 2.1 seconds. And it will mercilessly hunt down the horizon to a top speed of 217 miles per hour. Sitting still under the studio lights, the Ferrari F80 is a masterclass in aggressive Italian styling. It does not apologize for its lack of a V12 engine. It embraces the future of hybrid motorsport with absolute, ruthless efficiency. Only 799 examples of the F80 will ever be produced. And every single one was sold out long before the world even saw its face. It is a $4 million testament to Ferrari's racing dominance. A bridge between the closed-wheel endurance racers of Le Mans and the open roads of the world. The engineering tolerances are so microscopic, it feels more like a spaceship than an automobile. Ferrari didn't just build a new flagship hypercar. They built a weapon designed to decimate all competition. 1,184 horsepower. A Formula One-derived V6 hybrid. An asymmetrical, driver-obsessed carbon fiber cockpit. And aerodynamics that actively fight the laws of physics. This is the absolute pinnacle of Maranello's engineering might. A hypercar that redefines what is mechanically possible on public roads. It is pure, unfiltered aggression. It is the new benchmark for the entire automotive industry. The 2026 Ferrari F80. The prancing horse has evolved into an absolute monster.